Standard 3rd, Subject Grammar, Chapter 4, topic is numbers, subtopic is singular and plural. Hello children, how are you all? Already we have completed 3 chapters of grammar. Am I right? Today I am going to teach you singular and plural. Actually, you all have learnt singular and plural in 2nd standard also. But according to our syllabus, you should learn some more types of singular and plural nouns. But in this video, you will learn only and only plural forms by adding s and es. And in my next video of this chapter, you will learn plural forms by adding ies, ves and some irregular plural forms. So now let's get started. Countable nouns can be both singular and plural. They can be shown with a number. When we are talking about countable, for example, one tree, one balloon, one house, one bench, of course you can count those things. Am I right? If I am talking about plural forms, so 4 trees, 5 balloons, 3 houses, 10 benches, these all nouns are plural form, right? So but we can count them because we can count 1 tree also and we can count 4 trees also. Singular and plural both we can count with or by the numbers. Understood? We can count balloons if balloon is 1. If balloons are 5, then also we can count with a numbers. Okay? When we are giving number of particular thing, so then we can understand these are plural forms. For example, 1 bench, 10 benches. 1 bench is singular form, that is also countable noun, and 10 benches is plural form, that is also countable form. Okay? Now here see some singular nouns. Boy. Boy is only one person. Bag. Bag is only one thing. School. School is only one place. Patriotism is only one idea. Okay, one feelings, one imagination. Okay, so this is singular noun. Now see plural noun. Boys, you can see 4 boys, so you can count it. You can count them. Okay, you can count these 4 boys also. 4 bags, 2 schools, many religions. Okay, these all are plural noun, but we can count them. Now see how you can add s to form the plural of most nouns. Okay, for example, you can see this one boy. Here is only one boy, and here 4 boys together. Okay, what we are doing to make it plural? Yes, we have to add s at the end of the word, and then we can make the plural form of boy. Boys. Boy, boys. Boy singular form, boys plural form. We have to add s only at the end of the word. See this, bag, bags. Okay, here also we can add s at the end of the word and we can make the plural form of bag, bags. cat, cats. Only we add s. Okay. Flower, flowers. Again we add s. You can see with the red highlight. House, houses. Now, if a noun ends in singular form with s, double s, sh, ch, x, and also z, so we can make plural form with es. We can add es to nouns that end to get their plural forms. Now see, I am giving you some examples so you will get more idea. Boss, bosses. Now you can see the first word BOSS, boss. At the end of the spelling, double S is there. Okay. So when double S is coming, you can add ES at the end of the word and you can make the plural form. Boss, bosses. We can count boss also. There is a one boss. We can count bosses also. There are 3 bosses sitting on the chairs. Okay. So we can count bosses also. Fox, foxes. Fox, Fox. Last letter is X. You have to add ES and then you can make plural form of fox. Means foxes. Quiz, quizzes. See the last letter of quiz, Z. Then quizzes. We have to add ES. And first of all, we have to add one another Z also to make it plural. QUIZZES. Quizzes. Mango, mangoes. Last letter O. We have to add ES. Mangoes. Ostrich, ostriches. Last letters CH. We have to add ES. Then you can make the plural form of ostrich. Ostriches. Dish, dishes. Last letters SH. You have to add ES with it. Then it make plural form dishes. Bus, buses. Last letter is S. You have to add ES. Then make plural form of bus, buses. Princess, princess. You can see the double S at the end of the word. Okay. And then you have to add ES. So then you can make the plural form of princess, princesses. In these all words you saw, the last letters were double S, X, Z, O, CH, SH, S, double S. Okay. Then you can add ES to get their plural forms. Okay students. Now you understood how we can add S and ES to make plural forms of the nouns. Okay. So now you came to know, okay, how to make plural forms. So in my next video, I will teach you by adding IES, VES and some irregular nouns, irregular plural forms. Okay. So how you can make the plural forms, that you will learn in some more plural nouns in my next video. Okay. So till then, stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.